In this video, I will show you how to create Google Calendar appointment slots. So, to get started, go ahead and open Google Calendar into your device and then go ahead and select the date that you want to create a calendar appointment slots to. And then click on this plus button at the top left of your screen and then select appointment schedule. Now in here, make sure to create a name for this appointment schedule. And then after you create a name, select the appointment duration. And then after you set this, go ahead and make sure to set your general availability. So you can also set if this would repeat weekly, monthly, or in custom occurrence. And then after you do that, make sure to set and add the time slots that you're available for the day. So you can simply click on this plus button at the right side of the date and time to add more time. And then after you have done that, make sure to set each time for each of the slot that you've added. You can also remove slots by clicking on this X button at the right side of that. And then after that, you need to select the time zone. After you select the schedule, make sure to set the scheduling window into your preferred scheduling window. So you can set the maximum time in advance that an appointment can be booked, along with the minimum time before the appointment start it can be booked. And then after that, you need to set the booked appointment settings. So under this, you can actually set the buffer time, the maximum bookings per day, and guest permissions if your guests can invite others into their booking. And then after that, you can go ahead and click on the next button to proceed with the next steps. So after you have set this up, make sure to proceed with the next step. So in this section, you can go ahead and add the booking page photo and name. After that, you can set the location and conferencing. So I'll choose Google Meet for mine. And then you can also set the description of the specific event. And then after that, you can actually add a booking form for those who want to book a meeting with you. Add an item to the booking form by clicking on this add an item button. So you can add more items such as custom items and phone number. And then after that, you need to go ahead and set the booking confirmation and reminders and click on save. So after you have saved this, you can go ahead and copy the link of this specific appointment slot and send it to the individual to whom you want to share this calendar appointment slots to. And that is how you can basically create Google Calendar appointment slots.